You know, today I want to talk to you about hand washables and the best way to handle those. Now, hand washables are your things like your lingerie, your panties, your bras, you know, special blouses that need care. And what we need to use is shampoo. Shampoo is for greasy oil and dirt, but it's mild and gentle. So all we're gonna do is take a basin of water, and you might do this in your sink at home. We're gonna just put a squirt or so in, and I always take my hand and work it in a little bit before I drop anything in. Then we're gonna take our hand washable, which in this case is a blouse with silk in it. We're gonna push it down in. We're gonna gently squeeze the shampoo water through that blouse. And we'll do that a couple of times. And I always like to turn it the other way and do it too. Then, once we're done and we have it as clean as we want it to be, we'll take it out, we'll lightly rinse it, and lay it flat to dry or hang to dry, whatever your label says. And remember, always follow the care label. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.